Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to align multiple photo in photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your photopea software. Then go to the file menu and click open and place. Now I am go my photo. Select, press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and select two image and click open. Wait some moment. Then click the image and press Ctrl T and resize the photo. And click the tick mark. Again select the image and press Ctrl T on your keyboard and resize the picture. And again click the tick mark. Now select the multiple picture and you can see here are align left. Now apply align left and align right, align top, align bottom, now select align left. Now here we can see align multiple photo in photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.